Jimmy, who are you? Santa? No, Jake's not Santa. Say me, Santa.
Mom.
Me? Who am I? Who am I? Whose pants do you have on?
Santa's.
Whose pants? You're wearing Santa's pants?
Why'd you take his pants?
Santa?
Santa's pants? Whose shirt are you wearing?
Did you attack Santa?
Come on. Get Santa.
Whose pants are you wearing?
Santa?
Santa, and whose shirt do you have on?
Santa?
Santa's shirt?
I got Santa's sword.
Do you like Santa's shirt? Come here. Come here.
I
Hey,
got Santa's sword.
do you like Santa's shirt?
Mom, I got
You
Santa's
do?
sword.
Can you tell me whose shirt is this?
Santa?
And whose tie is this?
Santa?
Santa's tie, and whose suspenders?
Santa?
Santa's, and who are you? Are you Jim?
I got all Santa's stuff on
Who are
me.
you?
Santa.
You're Santa?
I got all of
What does Santa say?
Things.
Ho ho ho.
Can you sit on the couch and tell me what Santa says? Sit down on the couch and say, ho, ho, ho.
Oh, can I
Say,
see what I want?
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
Hey, Jimmy.
Can you tell Jacob, can he be Santa? You're Santa. What do you want to say to Jake? Jacob, what does Jacob say to Santa?
I want an Xbox for Christmas.
Can Jacob get an Xbox for Christmas? Santa? Is that what Jake's going to get?
You gonna give me an Xbox?
Yes. Oh, that was nice of you, Santa.
Thanks,
Joe's
Santa.
turn. Joe wants to sit on Santa's lap. And what are you going to give Joe for Christmas, Santa?
Transformer.
A transformer. Are you going to get Joe a transformer for Christmas, Santa?
No, I'm not going to get that.
Yeah? Oh, no. What do you want? A what? What are you going to give Jimmy for Christmas, Santa?
Oh, come see this. Oh, come
Say bye-bye, Santa.
No,